When children are young, they love to learn through play. As they get older, learning becomes more isolated and test-focused, making it easy for them to disengage from the learning process and lose interest in mathematics. At Cubism, we believe that if you can make maths more fun and engaging at this critical period, you can foster an enthusiasm for learning that will last a lifetime. This is why we created IZAK9. IZAK9 is a radical and innovative active learning device that provides a way for students of all abilities and preferred learning styles to engage with maths and with each other. So how does it work? This is Abacus and Helix.
Hello everybody.
They provide tasks for the children using a virtual set of 27 colourful and captivating cubes. Kids work together in teams, using an identical set of cubes to solve the tasks. In addition to the e-learning video material, teachers are provided with a manual containing instructions, solutions and ideas for more open-ended, shared learning opportunities. The teacher can dictate the pace of the lesson and customize it to suit their students' needs. Teachers and students can keep us informed of the type of content they want via an online survey. We use this information to provide new tasks and questions, making IZAK9 an ever-evolving teaching and learning resource. IZAK9 activities provide stretch for children of all abilities, covering everything from basic number operations through a variety of shape, space and data topics to more elaborate algebraic concepts. This content can be adapted and localized to suit any mathematics curriculum. The universal language of number, color and shape, and the underemphasis on testing and use of the written word make IZAK9 the ideal immersive learning platform for children to excel. IZAK9 is fun and children love it. It is an enabling, capacity-building device which helps build children's confidence and self-esteem and give them the genuine sense of self-belief and a can-do attitude. We all want our children to succeed in life, and nurturing a love of learning at this young age helps give them every chance. Give your students the chance to unlock their true potential. Give them IZAK9.